Got my long-awaited GT750 generator brushes in. And the part number for these is 3163131011. So, general rule of thumb is these are chipped, obviously. But general rule of thumb is you never want to wear these past half the brush length. You lose contact pressure as the spring goes out. Let's get our soldering iron heated up here. On the back half, the copper braided wire goes through a hole, and then you resolder that, and that's what keeps the brush from falling all the way out. While we're waiting on that to heat up, we're going to note the angle of the brushes. I'm just going to draw that on this outer case. There it goes, it released it. Heat up that solder and try to tap it out until you get your hole cleared. Put that over the brush. It was hot. Feed that through, make sure we don't go through the side of any of these coils. Alright. We're going to fish that through the hole. Just take your finger and hold it to the approximate length. The trick here is that it's not too long where this brush could fall out. And that looks good. So let's solder that sucker back up. And we'll do that by putting a big glob on our soldering iron. And touch it. Brush. That looks good. You can see that the wire drank up some solder. Kind of got a ball there. The brush is being held. Let me just dress that up a little bit more. Okay. And then we'll clip it flush. There you have it. 2 new brushes. Another 40 years. Hope this helps somebody out there.